Miss Danti, and now you are learning announcement. So let's check it out.
So the first thing that we have to know is the definition of announcement. Based on Cambridge Dictionary, announcement is categorized as a noun. It can be countable or uncountable. The definition is something that someone says officially, giving information about something. Jadi, announcement atau pengumuman adalah sebuah kata benda dalam bahasa Inggris. Berdasarkan kamus Cambridge Dictionary, definisi dari announcement atau pengumuman tadi yaitu sesuatu yang diumumkan oleh seseorang secara resmi atau pemberian informasi tentang suatu hal.
Next, to enrich our vocabulary, I want to tell you about the verb form of announcement. It is announce. The definition is to make something known or tell people about something officially. Jadi, bentuk kata kerja dari announcement adalah announce. Dan artinya adalah untuk membuat sesuatu itu diketahui atau untuk memberitahu orang tentang sesuatu secara resmi. The example for announce is, she announced the winner of the competition to an excited audience. Jadi di situ kata announce digunakan sebagai kata kerja. Next, let's discuss about the language of announcement. There are two common tenses used in the announcement. There are simple present tense and simple future tense. Announcement usually uses simple present tense if the announcer wants to tell the target of the announcement about the information happens in daily basis, such as the operating hours of the store, the rules on board, and etc. While the simple future tense is usually used when the announcer wants to tell the target of the announcement about the upcoming events or the new regulation that will be applied in the future. Jadi, terdapat dua tenses yang biasa digunakan dalam pengumuman atau announcement. Nah, untuk simple present tense itu biasanya digunakan ketika pengumuman tersebut ingin menyampaikan sesuatu yang terjadi secara rutin. Oke, seperti jam operasional sebuah toko atau peraturan dalam pesawat atau dalam kereta gitu. Kemudian untuk simple future tense biasanya digunakan ketika pengumuman itu bertujuan untuk memberitahu target pengumuman tersebut tentang, contohnya adalah kegiatan yang akan dilakukan atau sebuah peraturan atau regulasi yang akan diterapkan di kemudian hari. There are two types of announcement based on the media it uses. First, it is a written announcement, and second, it is spoken announcement. Let's elaborate one by one. Jadi, terdapat dua tipe pengumuman berdasarkan media yang digunakan. Yang pertama adalah pengumuman tertulis dan yang kedua adalah pengumuman lisan. Jadi, mari kita elaborasi tentang perbedaan dari kedua tipe tersebut. So the first one is written announcement. Written announcement can be handwritten or printed. It is usually found in an office or school. For example, teacher's announcement for the students to submit tasks, or announcements in the library to inform the operation hours, or the announcement in the sports center to inform when the students should activate their member cards. Dan untuk pengumuman tertulis itu biasanya berupa tulisan tangan ataupun bisa dicetak. Ya, jadi biasanya kita temui juga pengumuman tertulis ini di kantor-kantor maupun di sekolah. Contohnya adalah pengumuman tertulis dari guru kepada siswanya untuk mengumpulkan tugas. Kemudian ada juga pengumuman di perpustakaan untuk menginformasikan tentang jam operasional perpustakaan tersebut. Atau bisa juga tentang pengumuman di pusat olahraga atau pusat kebugaran untuk menginformasikan siswanya maupun membernya atau pengunjungnya gitu tentang kapan mereka harus mengaktifasi kartu keanggotaannya. The next type is spoken announcement. It is usually announced by one speaker only to make it clear, because the spoken announcement commonly targets a larger number of people in public areas. For example, announcement at the airport to inform the gate of departure, or the announcement on the train to keep the belongings. Tipe yang kedua adalah spoken announcement atau pengumuman lisan. Dan pengumuman lisan ini biasanya hanya dibicarakan atau diumumkan oleh satu orang saja karena bertujuan untuk membuat pengumuman tersebut mudah dicerna. Begitu. Kemudian untuk contohnya adalah tentang pengumuman di bandara tentang gerbang keberangkatan atau gate of departure-nya. Jadi lewat gate yang mana, kemudian pesawat ini lewat gate yang mana, seperti itu. Ada juga tentang announcement atau pengumuman di atas kereta untuk penumpang semuanya agar menjaga barang bawaan mereka masing-masing. Biasanya ditemukan ketika pesawat tersebut sudah sampai di stasiun tujuan. So next, we continue to discuss the points of announcement. They are purpose and also target. It can be the readers if it is written announcement, or the listener if it is spoken announcement. We also have the head or title. It is usually found in spoken announcement. Next is content. It can be date, time, place, and etc. And the last is writer or speaker. It can be the person or the individual, or it is the institution. However, not all points are found in an announcement, because these points are used based on the type of announcement or based on the effectiveness of the announcement. So, as we know that the announcement should be brief, clear, and to the point. It is because the announcement should make the target knows that something happens or will happen by not spending much time to read or hear that announcement. So, the announcement should be short and concise. Let's move to the example of announcement. The first example is about the summer course, and it is usually found in written announcement. Apply for Oxford summer courses. Registration begins April 17. Classes begin May 10th. Explore these available academic subjects: business and entrepreneurship, AI and software development, and creative industries. And the next example is about the spoken announcement in a train station. You are reminded for your own safety and the safety of everyone else on the station that cycling, skateboarding, rollerblading is not permitted anywhere on the station. If you are traveling with a bicycle, please speak to a member of staff who will direct you to the area on the platform where you should wait. This is to assist the prompt departure of your train. It is cited from whatdotheyknow.com.